How to submit your Roblox customer support ticket. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of submitting our customer support ticket for the Roblox. It's a straightforward and efficient procedure, so ensure that you follow along attentively. I suggest using a computer with a web browser for this method, but if you must use your phone, ensure to access the Roblox website through the web browser instead of the app. Once you have logged into the website, locate and click on the small cogwheel icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Help option. This action will direct you to the official Roblox page at help.roblox.com. On this page, you can browse and choose any article that pertains to your customer support needs. For instance, if you encounter billing issues, navigate to the billing section and select topics like unauthorized charges and refund request. When you have identified the relevant article addressing your concern, scroll down until you find the prompt that says "Need more help? Contact support here." This prompt is available on all the articles within the Roblox help page. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Need More Help. Subsequently, you will need to be directed to a Contact Us page where you must provide your contact information to establish communication with the customer support. Input a valid email address that you will use for the correspondence and specify the device you're using to play Roblox in the Help category drop-down menu. Describe your issue comprehensively, including all the necessary details, and then proceed to click Submit. Rest assured that you will receive a response through the email address you provided. Remember, it is crucial to use a valid email address for this communication. I trust that this guide has been beneficial in assisting you with submitting your Roblox customer support ticket, and if you found this video helpful, please consider showing your appreciation by liking and subscribing for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in and watching this tutorial.